Hi there, students. Debonair. Okay, debonair talks about people. It's an adjective. Debonairly, the adverb. Debonair means attractive, confident, carefully dressed. So he acted in a very debonair manner. He was a very debonair young man. So suave, urbane, nonchalant, light-hearted, courteous as well. So a very debonair performance was given by the speaker. Okay, so if you describe somebody as debonair, you're being complimentary. You're saying they're sophisticated, they're charming, they're interesting to talk to. It's fun. They also look good. They're carefully dressed. It goes very well with this word urbane that we saw the other day. Sophisticated and gracious. His manner is very debonair. He's always debonair when he deals with problems. Yeah, he's suave, he's refined, light-hearted. Okay, so very worldly as well. A handsome, debonair young jockey. I think unfortunately this word's probably a bit sexist, and mostly they use it to talk about men, but that's maybe part of the sexism in language itself. Okay, so yeah, if you're free and easy, you're debonair. It's like you're free from cares or worries, a bit blithe, but still very worldly at the same time. Okay, so he gave a very debonair speech. Once again, you were your usual charming, debonair, carefree self. Okay, so yeah, if you're calling somebody debonair, you're quite impressed by them. It's nice to talk to them. They look cultured, or they seem cultured. They're as I said, they're interesting to talk to. They're well dressed. Yeah, so if you want to look wealthy, being debonair is certainly one of the qualities that you should aspire to. Okay, so how formal is this adjective debonair? I think it sounds a little bit literary. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. So how would I say this more informally? Elegant, free and easy, jaunty maybe, charming certainly a good word, dashing, it's talking about handsome, smooth and refined. The problem is debonair includes lots of these adjectives all in the same word, which makes it a good word to use. So 6.5 in formality. And then the origin's good. The origin comes directly from French. Debonair comes from the phrase de bon air, meaning of good stock, noble. Yeah? So they presume that nobles are elegant, well-dressed, witty, worldly and intelligent, and look very confident. Very often it's true though. Okay, so debonair, of good stock, of good breeding, and that's the origin. So yeah, I think we should all aspire to being debonair. Yeah, showing confidence in what we do, but being charming at the same time, and being elegant, well-dressed, polite and courteous, all these things. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Debonair.